Chloe found a baby bird trying to learn how to fly, and she or he fell into the water trough and she got fished out by Chloe, which is a good thing because otherwise she probably would have drowned. It's not easy being a baby bird. No, it's not.
I know.
We share the earth within. Dolphins swimming in the ocean, in the air and sea.
Want to try to fly? Can you? Can you? You can do it. You can do it, little one.
Not yet? It's okay. Don't feel up to it?
She said, well, the last time I fell into the water, that was not good.
I'm a nice branch, apparently.
Well, and she trusts you. I think that is adorable.
Yeah.
A wild bird who trusts a little Chloe because she said you wouldn't hurt me. I can tell. You're a nice people.
I love birds. They're so cute.
That's lovely.
Seen a sunset in a perfect sky, or notice the masterpiece we call a butterfly. We are a witness to these miracles each day.
So the baby bird took her first flight. Yes, she did. And she flew from Chloe's hand to the ground and then from the ground onto the fence. Isn't she a little darling?